All right, we're with Jim Silverman with ATI. Although Jim is not a user, he has access to a lot of shops. So tell me about the Shop-Ware reflection out there.
It's really interesting because with my background and the years that I spent with one of the larger companies and the training that I had at that company and then learning other companies, I've now been in on training from different management systems from 4 different companies. And so in seeing the training of the companies and seeing what the systems offer, and then seeing the benefits of Shop-Ware and the way it's moving into the new generations and connecting things on such a global basis is just a phenomenal company. And I think it's a very viable system. It's a very viable player in the industry. And I think we're going to see a whole lot more of them going forward. I'm really glad that they're going to be at ATI Super Conference again this year. And I think that they are going to be really making a difference for our members.
All right, well, thank you, Jim. I appreciate your input.
Appreciate it.